Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm the owner of EgiptEgyptianne collection, and today's video is a chit chat. So I'm going to be chatting with y'all about a couple things. Hold on, y'all. I think I need these lights. Oh Lord. So yeah, a couple things about business, YouTube, yeah, just life itself. So business, y'all, we're going to November. November is also Thanksgiving and Black Friday, Cyber Monday, all that good. And then next month is December, my year, my month. Big Sagittarius, yes, my birthday, and the dropping of my Christmas collection. So let's get into it. Okay, so Black Friday, this is my first Black Friday. I'm pushing out all my stuff. Yes, it's empty because I use my products. So these are now bundled. You can get the foam and sugar scrub and a body butter and a body oil. All orders are half off. It's gonna be a code. The code can only be used November 24th. It's a Black Friday code, and when you type it in, you get half off on your order. Wherever you order, you get half off. So that's that for Black Friday. I am currently promoting a flyer for Black Friday, so I can push and push it. I'm pushing, y'all. I'm pushing this year. I'm pushing. I'm trusting in my progress. I'm trusting in the progress. I'm trusting, because the more I'm pushing this out, hey, I'm speaking all positive here. I know I'm gonna sell. I know I'm gonna sell them out. I know I'm gonna get this promoting stuff down. I just know. So coming next year, it's gonna be secondhand nature. YouTube, because I'm not trying to make this long, y'all. YouTube, I'm coming back. I'm slowly coming back. So what I'm currently doing, I'm doing 9 days of filming. So I filmed for November the 1st, 2nd. This is now November the 3rd video. I am filming for 9 days because I'm trying to do something new with YouTube to see if I kind of like it. And then we got Vlogmas for December, so I'm gonna be on that too, same way I'm doing for November. 9 days I will stop when it comes to Thanksgiving and Black Friday. That's when I'm gonna stop doing the 9 days. So when I'm up to that point, that's gonna be about it. And then I'm gonna start picking it up December. So I'm gonna start my 9 days, take a break, start back posting for Vlogmas. It's gonna be a whole thing for Vlogmas, and it's gonna keep going until the 25th, Christmas. So yeah, y'all. And then a little about my life. I am, y'all, when you make things hard on yourself, it's gonna be hard. And when you learn to make it easy, you start thinking like, why did I do this to myself? Why is stressing is a thing to me? Y'all, I'm telling y'all, I'm no longer stressing. Whatever happens, happens. I'm no longer stressing. Whatever happens. I get up and go to work, come home, do business. Matter of fact, while I'm at work, I'm still doing my business. Yeah, I got 3 jobs. I'm a mama, full time. I work, first job. Come home, 3rd job is my business. And that considered YouTube too. My business. So I'm so busy, y'all. And it's a time where you get discouraged and you like, am I gonna continue this for a lifetime? And that question is yes. I'm not giving up on my business. I'm not giving up on YouTube. Like, when y'all invest in y'all business and y'all don't see the progress that y'all want to see because y'all want money to come just like that. See, now I'm getting into another, this is going to be another topic for another topic, but when y'all invest in your business, that is your baby. Don't give up on your baby. Don't end your baby because it's like you just wasted all your money. It's like you just wasted all your investment. Yeah, y'all. Like I said, starting November the 24th, the summer treat collection bundle. You order the bundle, you order some lashes, because it is lashes on my website. You order the bundle, you get half off. And when I mean order anything, you can order like 2 bundles. You can order like lashes in a bundle, and you get them half off by using code Black Friday. But it won't be activated until the 24th. And it's a certain time period. So don't think at 6 o'clock, 1 o'clock, you're going to get it. No. It will start November the 4th at 2:30 p.m. And it ends November 31st at 2:30 a.m. So you have time to shop. You have all the time to shop and get your deals going for Black Friday and Cyber Monday. It's a big deal. It's a big sale. Don't miss it. Beat me there. And thank you guys for watching this video. If you like more of these videos, chit chat time, or any videos I post on my YouTube channel, please comment below, like, and subscribe. It's easy. Bye.